So both the Juniper and Highland have the camera down in the front bumper area there, and it's very prone to getting rock chips and even cracks, just because other vehicles are kicking up stuff. So you don't want to be that guy where that gets damaged, because that camera costs around $200 US to buy the camera, and they're going to install it for $45. So cheap insurance is to get these little lens covers like this one right here. This is the back lens cover, and then this is the front lens cover here. They are of a tempered glass. They kind of feel plasticky, but they claim that they're tempered glass. And they're just held in with the 3M tape on there. So what this does is it allows you to, in front of the camera, so if this gets damaged, it's $20. I wouldn't run without it. I've gone 6 months. I don't have any chips yet, but it will happen at one point in the future. So Hand Show sent me out a set of these. They're $20 for the front and back. They do include additional double-sided tape. So if you have to take it off and put it back on, you've got these extras, so 2 for the front and 2 for the back, plus the one that's already on there. So let's go ahead, go and install this. It's super easy. All we're going to do is pull off this tab and then stick it on. Now you need to do some prep work to start. So first thing is grab an old toothbrush or something and then spray it down with isopropanol and then scrub it off, which I've already done. And then you need to let it sit for a while and completely dry out, because you don't want to cause any moisture to be stuck inside the lens when you put this on there. You want that to be completely dry. So dry and as low a humidity outside, so not during a rainy day. Anyway, let's go ahead. It's super easy to install. Again, I cleaned mine earlier today. They've been just sitting there. So now let's just go ahead and install these. Okay, so here's the lens. Again, I've already cleaned this area, so it's perfectly clean. I'm going to take this right here. I'm just going to pull off the piece there. And then you just line it up over top. Then all you're going to do is add some pressure. There you go. That's all there is to it. Now they do recommend that you wait a few hours at least before you spray or drive in wet weather. But let's go ahead. I'm going to go and do a spray on it here, and we'll take a look at how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and spray. There we go. Curious to see how it sprays from the outside there. So here's the rear one. And you can see I've already cleaned this off, and I've got the new cover right here. So let's go ahead and let's get it installed. Okay, so let's take a look at how the camera looks from the inside here. So that's the front camera. Again, we can just spray. And when you're driving, that will dry off right away. We scroll up. Everything seems to be the same. So it's added protection if nothing else. Again, I'm more concerned about this one. So we'll see how that goes. We'll give it a few days. Well, that was a quick install. Again, the front camera lens cover is the one that I'd be concerned about. That's where you pick up rocks from the vehicles in front of you. And again, there'll be chips or possibly cracks, and it could cost you a couple $100. So these $20 lens covers are well worth it. Even if you have to replace them after a year, it's still better to replace a $20 item than it is a $200 item. Again, this will not be covered by Tesla at all. This is just normal wear and tear. So you need to protect yourself for such situations. And if you're interested in purchasing these or any other items from Hansho, I've got a link down in the description. It'll save you anywhere between 15 and 35%, depending on what kind of sales they're running. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on my next video.